Understanding nail glue, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, nail glue. This might sound simple, but it's a great example of how two common English words can combine to mean something quite specific. So, let's get started and explore what nail glue really means. First, let's look at the words individually. The word nail can refer to two things. It could be a small metal spike usually used for fastening things, or it can mean the hard covering at the tips of fingers and toes. The word glue refers to a sticky substance used for sticking things together. When we combine these words, we get a new meaning. Nail glue refers to a type of adhesive specifically designed for attaching artificial nails or repairing natural nails. It's not for general use like regular glue but is formulated to be safe and effective on nails. Understanding this specific use is important for comprehending the term correctly. Let's see how nail glue might appear in everyday conversation. Can you lend me your nail glue? I need to fix this artificial nail. Be careful when using nail glue. It's very strong and dries quickly. Noticing the context in which nail glue is used helps clarify its meaning, especially since it's a term specifically related to cosmetics and personal care. It's crucial not to confuse nail glue with regular glue. Using the wrong type can cause damage. For instance, using a wood glue or a super glue on nails could be harmful. This distinction is important in both language and practice. And that's a wrap on nail glue. Remember, understanding phrases like this not only helps in language learning but also in understanding the culture and practices related to the language. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. If you have any questions or want to learn more about similar phrases, feel free to comment below. See you in the next video.